Here we have 7-month-old Alvin. Alvin is just the sweetest little boy. He's a good kitty cat. Very playful. He's got super soft fur. And one of the sweetest faces you're gonna find. And he can be yours if you come to know his Kingdom Humane Society and adopt him. He's currently available. And we have cats ranging from the age of 11 right on down to him. He's our youngest cat at the moment. He's 7 months old. So come and visit our shelter and adopt a cat today. Thanks for watching Alvin. Yeah, you're super cute, Alvin.